The decision by an adult child to go no contact with their parents is often born from deep emotional pain and a desperate need for self-preservation. It's a choice never made lightly, and it signifies a profound breakdown in the parent-child relationship. This situation is incredibly difficult for everyone involved. For parents, hearing that their child no longer wishes to communicate can be devastating. It challenges their fundamental identity and their perception of themselves as a good parent. This is where defensiveness and denial often emerge as powerful coping mechanisms. Many parents hold a deeply ingrained image of themselves as loving, supportive, and effective caregivers. This self-perception is crucial to their sense of identity and worth. When an adult child initiates no contact, it directly contradicts this cherished self-image. To acknowledge their child's reasons for no contact would mean confronting uncomfortable truths about their own past behaviors and emotional impact. This can feel like an attack on their very character, leading to an immediate defensive posture. Defensiveness and denial are often rooted in a psychological phenomenon called cognitive dissonance. This occurs when a person holds conflicting beliefs, attitudes, or values. In this context, the parent's belief in being a good parent clashes with the reality of their child's painful experience. To resolve this internal conflict, it's often easier for the mind to dismiss or deny the child's perspective. This allows the parent to maintain their self-image without having to engage in painful self-reflection or admit perceived failures. A significant factor contributing to parental denial is often a genuine lack of emotional self-awareness. Some parents may not have developed the capacity to understand their own emotions, let alone how their actions impact others. They might struggle to recognize their own emotional immaturity or dysregulation. This limited emotional insight means they genuinely cannot comprehend the depth of their child's pain or the validity of their reasons for seeking distance. They may interpret their child's actions as an overreaction or an unfair accusation, rather than a response to their own behavior. Societal expectations often place immense pressure on parents to maintain harmonious family relationships. The idea of a child cutting ties can evoke profound feelings of shame, guilt, and public judgment. Parents may fear what others will think or say. This fear can fuel denial, as admitting fault or acknowledging the breakdown of the relationship feels like admitting personal failure. It's a way to protect themselves from perceived external criticism and internal feelings of inadequacy. While the child experiences relief and a form of liberation, parents often experience a profound sense of grief and loss. They grieve the loss of the relationship they thought they had, the future they envisioned, and even the idealized version of their family. This grief can manifest as anger, sadness, or confusion. This complex emotional landscape can make it incredibly difficult for parents to engage constructively with their child's decision. Their own pain can overshadow any capacity for empathy or understanding of their child's perspective. Understanding these underlying psychological and emotional dynamics is crucial for everyone involved. For adult children, it can offer a framework for understanding their parents' reactions, even if it doesn't excuse their behavior. For parents, it's an invitation to begin a journey of self-reflection. True healing, if it's possible, begins with acknowledging the pain on both sides. It requires parents to move beyond defensiveness and cultivate genuine self-awareness and empathy. This is a challenging but necessary step towards any potential reconciliation or personal growth.